everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable the developer option in Microsoft Word for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Word software, and now on the left side you will see here one option written Options. Just click on it. Now here you will see one option written Customize Ribbon. Just click on it. Now on the right side, just scroll down below. Now you will see here one option written developer option. So by default this option will be turned off, so just tick mark on it and click on OK. Now you will see here one option developer option is showing up on the toolbar. So if you want to disable it again, just move back to the file, click on this option again, click on this customize ribbon, just untick this developer option, click on OK. Now it will be removed again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily enable the developer option in Microsoft Word for computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.